But this is the next phase of our journey. So the next decade of Nhyira Premium is what we are introducing you to today. In the next decade of the Nhyira Premium brand and what we do generically, there are a number of things that we are launching officially today. Some of you have been using or utilizing them already, or that we are launching officially today that will be taken to the next level in the next decade, even to make our platform more affordable, more reliable, and stable to all people across the world to become successful. And so the future. The first thing about our future is we are launching today the Ask Nhyira Premium AI. So what does this mean? This means that you are studying and there is something you don't understand. Yes, you can Google it, but when you Google, it's going to give you a lot of websites. You don't even know where to read, where to go. So you don't have a problem. All you do is to go to the website and make sure you are logged in on the website, because you have to sign in to be able to access the AI agent. And on the home page, immediately you hit the home page and you are signed in already. So if you don't have an account, it means you need to create an account and sign in. You can see at the bottom here, the AI agent has opened up Ask Nhyira Premium. So you are welcome with a message, hello, I am Ask Nhyira Premium, a virtual assistant. Ask me anything about your studies or Nhyira Premium and the courses we offer. Please note, I am an AI agent and my responses may not always be accurate. So what are you studying? What questions do you have? Just put it in it and it will give you a response real time. And the beauty about this is that we are using proprietary content. What does that mean? It means that the agent is not leveraging what is available online. It is leveraging our knowledge source. So our books, our materials, that is the base where the agent is going to be extracting a response from. So we can try it with anything at all. I have typed out a couple of questions here. Let's see if I can bring it up. So for instance, let's ask the second question. I always forget when I study. What should I do? Okay, so you ask the AI agent, for instance. Let's paste it, put it there. So I want to zoom this out a little bit so that you can see what we are talking about. Okay, so here you go. So my question was, I always forget when I study. What should I do? So based on official sources, so this is coming from the knowledge base of Nhyira Premium, right? It says, okay, this is to enroll in a course. So this is the answer to the response. Improving memory and retention while studying can be achieved through various techniques and strategies. So you are giving the response there. Okay, what else do you have? You are studying anything. So explain the code of ethics to me. Let's put it there. Here we go. Boom. Let's see what it will spew out to us as an answer. It's working its magic. Going to take some time, some cases, depending on your network. Boom, it's ready. So this is the ethical code of conduct. Again, based on official sources. So the ethical code of conduct for accountants. Boom. Integrity. Be straightforward and honest in all professional work. Objectivity. Professional competence and due care. Confidentiality. Exception. It's there. So you are studying and you meet a deadlock, right? You have a question. Just come to the platform on the website and log in or sign in and boom, ask Nhyira Premium. Or maybe some work-related issues. So for instance, the first question here, why should the proceeds from the issue of loan notes be, maybe convertible loan notes, be separated into equity and debt? Convertible loan notes. So let's see. Now, this is an accounting standard, right? So let's put that in. Boom. So you are learning financial instruments and you are still not getting the principle. Okay, so why should the proceeds from issue of convertible loan note be separated into debt and equity? So again, from official source, based on official source, it gives you the reasons. It gives you the guiding principles. It tells you how to calculate the debt component, how to calculate the equity component. So in the next decade, this is going to be an integral part of our program, of everything we do here, the Nhyira Premium AI agent. So you have access to this, okay? And it's accessible to everyone. The only thing you need is you have to sign up first, log in into the account. Then on the home page, you'll be able to ask Nhyira Premium whatever you need to ask Nhyira Premium, accounting and finance related. That's the idea here. That's all. So, for instance, let's do one more, then probably we move from here. What are the roles of the GRA in budgeting, in public sector budgeting? Let's see if it will give us something. So you can try it yourself and see. So what are the roles of GRA in public sector budgeting? Let's see what it will give us. Okay, so it says, let's see, role of GRA in public sector. GRA is responsible for the administration of taxes, It was established, GRA integration. You got your response coming up there. So that's the first thing we are bringing in, the Nhyira Premium AI agent. So no need to worry. You are studying something. There's a question you are solving. You are finding it difficult. Go there, ask Nhyira Premium, and that's it. Why is this important? Because you see, sometimes you want an explanation as to why something is done. And you can't Google and get it. And so that is where the AI agent comes in, and we are leveraging technology to give you this.